What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if your Redmi 13 keeps auto updating. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings tap on about phone. Now here in about phone tap on software version and then tap on this three dot more option. Now tap on update settings and here you will see a update automatically and download automatically button. So to turn off auto updating, tap on this button to turn it off, and if you want to turn off the auto download also, then tap on this button to turn it off. And after turning off these buttons, the auto updating issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone to refresh the mobile settings. So to do this, press and hold on the power button and then swipe down this circle, and when this circle gets green, then you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the auto updating issue will be fixed on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.